everyone, this is Shreya once again, and today I am back with another gag video, and this video is absolutely for fun. So let's get started. So the plan is I'll be tying all my eyes, my mouth, my hands and my feet, and how I release myself from the knots. That's what the video is going to be about. And in this my husband will be helping me to tie my hands, because this is something which I cannot do by myself. So let's start. So first I'll be tying my mouth. Okay, so I'm done with the video, and yes, for hands I had used a scarf like this material. For all the other knots I had used, so this is the knot, if you can see. For all the other knots I had used a stole. Okay, so it became little bit easier because this is very soft. So that's it. I would like to end the video right now. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye.